Congratulations guys for buying the DJI 4K Motion Neo 2. So this is a DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo Plus, and I will be guiding you what you need to do for the first time initial setup. So make sure that your all the three batteries, and plus this is the controller and this is the goggles, all these are charged, fully charged. So you need to charge that. So unfortunately they provide only one cable, there is no wall adapter, so you need to charge one by one, so everything take times. So you need to do that, and once it is all fully charged, then you can like start the setup process. And you need to also download DJI Fly app. So if you don't have the Fly app, I will be showing you on the box itself. They have this barcode, so you need to scan that and then download the app. So it is either has to be downloaded directly from this company website through the barcode. Don't go through any Play Store because you will be getting some virus or something. So let me show you now. So we will be starting the process. So my batteries are charged, so if I press that, it will be showing you that this is charged, goggle is charged. And same way, if see this one, my remote is also charged and the batteries are also charged. So let me take out one battery first, and then we will be inserting the battery here in the DJI Neo 2, and this is my transmitter for motion package. So I have inserted the battery here and also remove the cover here for the lens. If there is any cover, you just have to remove, and then you have to start the Neo, and it has to be one press and then second long press. So like this, one, and then see now. So you will hear the sound, DJI drone sound. So it is all started. So now after that you have to open the DJI Fly app on your phone. So this is my DJI Fly app. So need to press this, and the Fly app will be open. So it will be updating if there is any update required. So this is my DJI Fly app. See now, it is identifying new DJI Neo 2. See, it is detecting that, so you need to press that. See, it is saying press and hold power button to confirm. So it is flashing, the lights are flashing, so we need to just confirm. See now, see, and I have to say connect now. See now it is saying connect to device, connect, and I should press that. So it is saying activate the DJI device. We need to activate, agree, yes. So it will be taking couple of minutes. So activation is successful, press that. See now it is a Carefresh, so you can buy the Carefresh plan within 48 hours. So you need to decide on that. So you can purchase now, and it is your choice, but I suggest you go for the DJI Care Refresh plan. See, this is the DJI Care Refresh plan. It is just $28 for DJI Neo 2. So if your Neo 2 is lost or gone in the water or collision, anything, so it will cover up that. So it will be very good, like otherwise, you know, because if you take a normal store extra warranty, they don't handle any accident or mishandling, so they don't cover that. So 1 year it is $28 and 2 years is $48, so which is quite a good thing. So you can take that, because every year DJI is coming up with a new drone, so I will be going with the year 1 plan only. So we need to say shop now, $28, and then we have to submit. because DJI is introducing a new drone every year, so I purchased the extra plan for only for 1 year. So now it is asking update, so we need to always update to the new software. So you need to update that, and then it is download, so you just have to press download. So it will be taking some time, you just have to have patience. And in the meantime, if you see, the drone is automatically off because we did not use that for a much long time, so it was off now, but we will restart again, that's not a problem. So it is downloading now. See, now the software is up to date now, so it is giving your first flight, and it is come some information: takeoff, follow, RTH, and landing, shooting mode, and so you can say start.
Turn camera towards subject and press takeoff button to start.
So it is saying take off, always switch to the follow mode, and those kind of things. So
Rear. Follow. 3, 2, 1. The aircraft is now recording. Once scanning is complete, tap on done scanning on your device to enter the landing section of the tutorial.
see, it is now on the follow me mode.
4 meters. Boomerang. 3, 2, 1.
And when you need to land, just simply show the palm, just like this. And it will land on your palm. See, I suggest you to go through the tutorial. See, this is now, you can see the live view, it is connected, and you can fly the drone through the app also. You can say start,
3,
and it will
2,
be
1.
be like this. And you say stop. So my drone is now connected to the app, and plus it is taking the gestures also. So we need to now connect this app to the goggles, so we have to do that. So this is the type C to type C cable they have provided, so we need to connect that to your app, firstly to your phone. So you need to connect to the phone, and then on the other side you have to connect to the DJI goggle. It has to be on the top here. So then you have to see this one, the power is on. It is again installing some firmware, so new update is available, so it is installing that. See, another cool feature on this DJI Neo 2 is there is a screen, as you can see on the left side, very tiny screen. So it is giving the message updating firmware. So the system is updating the software for DJI Neo 2, and here also it is updating on my phone. So that is one of the good feature, I like that. See, now we have connected this phone with the type C cable to the glasses, and my glasses are on this side, as you can see, and I got the message DJI fly to allow the DJI glass access, click OK. So it is saying activating DJI goggles, say agree. Activation is successful, so this is all done. And it is saying again update available for the glasses also. You need to click update, because each of these accessories should have updated software. So that is one of the condition to fly safely. So it is still updating, as you can see, 70%, and this is the file size. So it will be taking initially quite a bit of time, so you have to have patience. So there is a third update it is doing. As you can see that it is again updating. So bit of pain initially. And once the goggles are connected, you just turn on the remote control and it will be automatically connected. So there is nothing much you have to do with the remote control. And I hope guys you enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.